Over the past decade, kayak fishing equipment has experienced an epic evolution. Once just a cool way to catch fish, kayak fishing now is the best way to catch fish. When Torqeedo introduced the revolutionary Ultralight 403 kayak motor, many anglers wondered, why would you put a motor on a fishing kayak? The answer is simple. Weighing a mere 16 pounds, including the lithium battery, the Ultralight provides a maximum speed of up to 6 knots. So you'll spend more time fishing and less time traveling. With a range of up to 25 miles and an integrated GPS that delivers precise information about your speed, power consumption, and remaining range, all that works seamlessly with Torqeedo's TorqTrack app, you'll reach fishing spots that you previously never could. And thanks to an infinitely variable throttle and the ability to attach to a kayak steering system, Torqeedo's Ultralight delivers a true hands-free fishing experience. Clean, easy to mount and transport, loaded with safety features including an emergency magnetic kill switch, and packing more power than you could ever imagine. The question you really have to ask yourself is, why wouldn't you want to fish longer, reach more fishing spots, and enjoy hands-free kayak fishing?